Hey folks, here's your quick tutorial on creating assignments within EnlightenAI. So I'm going to come up to the upper right here where it says Assign Students Work, and I'm going to click Create Assignment. Here, I'm going to be asked to put in some basic details about the assignment. So we're just going to call this Demo Assignment, and we'll expect students to write a paragraph, ask that this be graded at an 8th grade level, good old CER rubric, and then we can ask a silly question. Say we'll go with who is better, Batman or Superman? From here, if there's a reading or text that we want to insert, we're able to do that. We can go then to the next step, or we can sort of provide settings to our AI assistant. That can be the length of the feedback it should give to students, the style of the feedback, whether a note, glows and grows, rubric-based, or if none of that applies, we can provide some special instructions that are custom. This can be things like comment banks, instructional foci, asking the AI to translate every response on top of providing it in English. You can even, as a department or collective, start training by adding sample student work here, if you have it, to calibrate with a team and then ultimately to share this assignment. The final step, even if we don't do any AI settings, is to prepare to publish. Now, my account is a little bit different because I can share assignments to all teachers. Learn more about that at a different time. But on your account, you'll see something that looks like classroom use. And for your personal use, you can either grade the assignment later with AI assistance, or you can ask that the AI give on-demand immediate feedback. If you select this, you get to tell the AI how many times it can revise, it can allow students to revise. So if I say 3, students will get 2 attempts with feedback, and then they'll submit their final attempt. I'll select which classes and whether students will be allowed to paste. And I can even preview this as a student. So students have a basic prompt here. I didn't put any sources or anything. And when I submit, so I might say Batman is better because he is a human. I want to see this in immediate AI feedback mode, and I'll submit. And I'll get some feedback and a score, and I'm able to revise from there. I can come back here and give the AI some additional instructions. I can also just make this an assessment if I want, and not provide immediate feedback. So both are options. When I publish this assignment, I will be able to share it with other teachers. So I can get a share link here and send it to others in my school. And of course, I can share this link with students so they can log on and submit their work. This is your quick tutorial on creating assignments in EnlightenAI. There's other videos here on immediate feedback specifically, how to tune your AI assistant, but this is hopefully enough to get you going. Looking forward to getting your feedback and hope this is helpful.